Hello, my name is Patrick Mailer from Cornell Votes, and today we're here to show you how to apply for an absentee ballot in New York State. For students to be eligible for an absentee ballot, you must apply for one before October 27th. Although the deadline is October 27th, we strongly encourage you to apply as soon as possible as to prevent an influx of applications and delay of you receiving yours. You may request an absentee ballot if you will be absent from the county where you're registered to vote on Election Day. For New York City residents, you must be absent from all 5 boroughs on Election Day. You may also apply for an absentee ballot if you are suffering from a permanent or temporary illness or serve as the primary caregiver for somebody who has a permanent or temporary illness. For the 2020 election, all New Yorkers can list temporary illness as a reason for applying for an absentee ballot. This is to protect New Yorkers against the coronavirus and to limit exposure to big crowds. If you qualify for any of these reasons, you can apply for an absentee ballot. First, go to elections.ny.gov to download and print an absentee ballot. After you have printed the ballot, check the box in Category 1 that meets your reason for requesting an absentee ballot. Second, only check General Election Only, as the primary has already passed and there are currently no special elections in New York State. In Category 3, enter your legal last name, first name, and middle initial or suffix if you have one. In Category 4, enter your birth date and the county of where your permanent address is. If you live in New York City, your county may have a different name than your borough, such as Brooklyn residing in Kings County. Your phone number and email are optional, but we suggest entering at least one so that the Board of Elections may contact you if necessary. In Category 5, enter your permanent home address, where you're registered to vote, not where you will be on Election Day. Skip Category 6 as you are not requesting a ballot for the primary election. In Category 7, check the third box and enter where you wish to receive your absentee ballot. If you plan to live or are currently living in Ithaca between applying for an absentee ballot and before October 27th, you should list your Ithaca address. Finally, sign and date your name in Category 8. After you have completed the application, you must mail it to your specific Board of Elections. You can contact us at cornellvotes@cornell.edu for assistance in finding and sending your application to your Board of Elections. Your application is now complete. Once you receive your absentee ballot in the mail, you'll be able to vote and participate in your democracy in 2020. If you have any questions, concerns, or need help in applying for an absentee ballot, please contact us at cornellvotes@cornell.edu. Congratulations on taking the next step in voting, and we hope you vote in the upcoming election.